Hi, friends. I'm over here at the Just Bid Belvedere warehouse waiting for my stuff to pick up, and I noticed these birds have nested inside this pillar. See the holes? You watch. There'll be a bird fly out, or there'll be a bird's head that'll poke out and look around for mom or dad or the mate. I'm not sure. I can hear the babies. Let's see if we can catch the one that's feeding them come in. I'm excited for the things that I won today. Whoop, I could just see something. I hope you can see it because I can't see my screen. So, how's everybody doing today? Today is Wednesday, May 7th. Oh, there's the bird. Can you see him up there? Up there on There he goes. He's feeding babies. Because, boy, oh boy, as soon as he shows up, a lot of noise comes out of that hole. Hopefully. Boy, and it's busy here today. It's funny, you can still hear the babies. They're kind of in there squawking. I'm like 184 or something. Oh, I think it just landed on the roof. Yep, there he goes. Over to the tree. Here he comes. Okay, he's got something in his mouth. Now watch. There he goes. Can you hear him? Oh, went in there. Took something out. That's interesting. How fun. What a cool thing to watch. I'm not sure what kind of bird it is. It's a dark colored. I don't think it's one of those cowbirds with the black rimmed eyes. But so thought I'd share that with you. All right. Let's see. Today's Wednesday, May 7th, I think. Okay. Have a great day.